Cat breaking news. Sorry, I haven't been here in a while. This is Lightning here, and we have some special guests. It's me and my bro again. And here's a sword. Yeah, and a shield. Who knows where he's been? He went to the Afghanistan. I don't know. Well, we're going to talk with our ghosts. We'll be here in a second. I'll be back soon. What's going on? Welcome to Ghost Breaking News. What's the trouble over there, sis? Well, we have completely different rules like you dumb cats. Oh, that's good to know. Great, terrific. Well, what's your rules? Yeah, we are completely different than you are. Yeah. Different. By what rules? And all means, tell us. Well, first of all, there is killing, there is death, and there is war. We celebrate Halloween, does that count? Well, I celebrate Halloween every day. Good to know. Well, we don't. Yeah, well, you need to learn that. You should. Alright, I think that's enough of cat breaking news. No, we gotta have more. No. Okay, cut them off camera. No, we cannot be cut. We cannot be cut. We'll kill you all. Hey. Okay, these ghost guys, freaks. Okay, thanks for coming to Cat Breaking News, and have a great day. Cat Breaking News.